So is first method, open any browser to update GPU driver. Okay, so open any browser, Google search box to type NVIDIA driver download. Okay, so first link to right click to new tab. So guys, select your device, which is Gorforce, ITX, NVIDIA ITX, data center, and like that all. Suppose Gorfox, you have check with your system, then you enter your series. Okay, then after main series, then your operating system, Windows 7, 10, 8.1, like what you want to do, and you can select your English languages. Okay, and then click to find out. Then guys, different NVIDIA Studio driver is NVIDIA GoFox RTS to download any. Okay, you like click to view and then click to download. Okay, and this is version. This is file size 732 to 88 MB, and this is version, operating system Windows 10, 11 both supporting. Okay, click to download and install it. If you confuse about your NVIDIA device, so you can click get automatic driver to update and click to installed app and automatic detect what you want to driver for your system, then automatically download it. Okay, this is first method guys. This method might be come by the overheating issues. Okay, so overheating is common use CPU crash. Ensure your PC has proper so ventilations and CPU temperature within a safe limit, 85. Okay, then next guys, roll back your stable driver version, right click to device manager. You can check manually if your system is overheating. You can touch to your device of NVIDIA and then you check. So extract display adapter and just right click to property and device and click to rollbacks driver. Okay, and then okay, and then close. And guys, next method, power supply check. If you have issue in the power supply, okay, because NVIDIA is require advanced power supply. Okay, CP, this is also check. Next guys, check event viewer. Just right click to Windows icon and go to event viewer. Okay, Windows logs, extract, then click to system. So guys, here to check if your system is restart, so you can find why, what is reason, like system update started automatically. Every logs is created here. Okay, update all are update. So if you know about your system when restart and like stuck, so you can check of same timing, like this system firmware return to error, access deny when I attending the update, source boot variable and more informations, please visit this. So this is reasons, this error showing by firmware. Okay, firmware return error, access deny. Okay, that's why. And you can check the TPM source. Then guys, restore your system. I will guide next method. So guys, next, run Windows memory diagnostic. Okay, memory issue can sometime trigger this issue. So guys, press Windows R. Okay, this is run. Otherwise you can click to start and type run. Then guys, type mdsched.exe and then okay. So guys, then choose either to restart immediately to or to check the memory issue next time, or you restart. Okay, if you found you may need to replace or reset your RAM. So guys, click to restart check, and Windows automatically find out to system. Okay, so this is a SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last. Hi guys. Created a restore point or automatically created a restore point. How to restore? So click to start and type restore, create restore point, create restore point to click. You can type point, otherwise you create restore. So what is, then click to system restore, then next select this date, and you can check here to show all auto and manual. This is type, okay, and then next and finish, and this is asking for the restart, and then click it. How to update the driver? So right click to Windows icon, go to device manager, okay, so one by one update. This is mic, speaker, okay, so right click to update driver and search automatically. So basically this driver update from officially websites automatically. Now speaker, okay, then guys display driver, it might be show if you using graphic card, so it will be show your graphic card model number, so you can update the driver, search automatically and wait few seconds, okay. After you completed all, then restart your system, okay. So that is a keyboard, like I'm using PS2 keyboard, okay, so it is same update driver and then automatic, then again monitor, right click to update driver, search automatically. Okay, and this is network, so important. If you're using, you have some Wi-Fi, so you can same right click to update and update automatically. Close. If you're showing the Wi-Fi driver, so same select this and upgrade driver. Okay, and usual, so right click to update. So you can try one by one all. Close. And if you showing some error like that, so you can click on this scan for the hardware changes and then click it. Same right click to update driver. Could not find driver, so you have to install driver from websites. Okay.